So, hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 30th of September till the 7th of October. And I'm going to pull one card for each day, and you can take it as messages or guidance or warnings, or you can take it as simple challenges and obstacles on your path if you are on your spiritual journey. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Libra, let's see the messages from 30th of September till the 6th of October for you guys from Osho Zen Tarot. The first message we have is the burden for the 30th of September. So it could be very much possible that you will be taking too much on your plate that you will not be able to consume. You will not be able to finish, and the heaviness and the burdensome energies are going to weigh you down in some way. Okay. For some of it could be related to work, or for some of it could be related to personal life, personal relationship area, where you will be taking too much responsibility of people, situations, and it's going to weigh you down in some way, shape, or form. But if you are going to be in this energy of understanding that taking too much burden on yourself is not going to help you, but taking things slow and doing things one day at a time kind of a deal is going to help you. Okay. Now, for the 1st of October, we have the breakthrough. So Libra honey, the thing is, on the 1st of October you are going to realize that you have to change something in you. You have to shift something in you big time, in order to face a fear of yours or a challenge that you are not able to let go of, something that you are kind of not able to face maybe from a very long time because of fear or because of whatever reason, because of limiting beliefs. You will definitely be able to find this courage, this strength to face something face to face, whatever it is, and finding a solution to that problem. Okay. Now, the 2nd of October, we have the source. So the universe is going to give you guidance from all the directions. It's like the universe is going to align with your energies and send you signals and synchronicities and messages and guidance, maybe in the form of people, in the form of dream, in the form of YouTube videos. On this particular day, on the 2nd of October, make sure that you are going to be aware of all the messages, all the guidance, all the wisdom or that you're going to get from out of nowhere. When you will be least expecting those kind of messages from the universe, you will start getting that, or throughout the day you will get that. 3rd of October, we have the friendliness. On the 3rd of October, I do see people of the opposite sex are going to help you a lot in um, like in finding some kind of solution to a problem that you might not be able to find from quite a long time now. For some of you, it could be possible that a relationship of yours, a love relationship of yours, is going to convert into something very meaningful, very deep. It's going to go beyond this level of, romantic love, romantic lustful love only. It's going to convert into something very deep rooted and meaningful. I mean to say, the romantic kind of energies are going to settle down into friendliness for some of you. For others of you, it's like opposite sex people are going to help you a lot in trying in getting out of a situation that you yourself is not able to get out of, I guess, right? This is what I'm getting here for you guys for the 3rd of October. 4th of October, we have the guidance. So 4th of October, you are going to get the guidance. If you're seeking guidance for something, you will definitely be able to get it on 4th of October if you are going to take help from people who can help you in that direction. For others of you, even if you're not seeking guidance in a particular direction, the universe is going to definitely show you some kind of situation in front of you where you need to seek guidance in order to let go of the obstacles and challenges that you're facing in that particular situation. So keep your eyes and ears open, and your energies and awareness open to guidance. Okay, universal guidance. Again, it's going to come in the form of YouTube video, maybe your dream, maybe symbols, synchronicities, or maybe you are going to open a book or a page of the book, and you are going to read something that's going to make complete sense to you, maybe not to others but to you. Okay. Sometimes I do that deliberately. Sometimes I deliberately open the page of a book that I keep on reading. Basically, it's Ho'oponopono or Osho books, completely these two books, these two things that I'm immersed in right now. And the message that I get from the page, it's something that helps me a lot in that on that particular day, maybe, or if I'm going through a situation. So it works like it's worked like magic for me. So you can take any book, like it should not be like newspaper or it should not be a funny book. Sometimes funny too, it can help. But if you have any book that's related to anything, like if not like it's not obviously syllabus related book like science or maths or something like that, then it is going to be different kind of formula. But if you have any book that you are spiritual book or uh, books related to meditation or something like that, and you are confused in your life, like what should I do now, you can just close your eyes and you just flip the pages and stop wherever you intuitively feel like, and wherever your finger is going to be, read that paragraph, read those lines, and you will definitely get the guidance. Trust me, it works like magic. Trust me. One of my friends told me, one of my spiritual friend in the Osho family told me, it told me to do this long time ago, and it works like magic. Trust me. Libra, you might see just now I gave you the guidance without you asking me for that, right? So work like magic. Yeah. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, we have the politics. On the 5th of October, we have the politics. So somebody will try to do some kind of office politics, or you might get in some kind of troublesome energies because you might not be able to understand some person's energy, the way they are, the way they behave. You are going to like take somebody on their face value rather than who they truly are, and it is going to create some kind of issues in your maybe work area. It's mostly related to your work area. It could be something related to your interpersonal relationships, like family issues, or someone in your family is trying to manipulate your energies to get something done. But trust me, this person, this situation is not what it seems like. Okay, so try to be smart here and try not to take people and situations for the words they say, for what they say to you, because words can lie, but like actions, the actions can't, and the real face can't. You will get to know about it with time. On the 6th of October, we have the possibilities. So you might be feeling like a little bit upset on the 6th of October, like why the hell am I not able to get things done the way I want it to happen. So it's like you have a goal in front of you, but you're not able to see the clear path, because in this particular card as well, the sun is going down. But even if the sun is going down, it is bound to come up someday, right? If not regularly. So definitely you are going to see the possibilities and the path in front of your eyes. It's all about surrendering to the divine and letting the divine do its job, its work, and you will definitely be able to find the possibilities to go in that direction wherever you feel like you should go, right? Wherever you're trying to go. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.